I created this class thinking especially to beginners, wanting to make it the easiest possible for them to learn acupressure and to get very, very good results from their practices. The class is for everyone, but beginners will find it very easy to follow also. So what is acupressure? 2 words. Just to remind you, acupressure is about using your fingers or hands and applying a pressure, gentle pressure, might be deep but gentle, on energy points of the body while breathing, so that the combination of the two will help you relieve your tensions and feel better. The points we are using for the acupressure are acupuncture points. They're known with Chinese medicine, and you will learn how to locate them using your finger size to measure different distances on your body. So how to locate them and how to use your fingers and hands to apply which pressure and how long on those points to get your results. Your course includes a PDF document that you will download. In this document it's very, very complete. Everything is well explained so that you know exactly how to do things, why you do them, and what are you exactly doing in order to have the best results. Then there is an introduction video to present the theme, a point video, obviously, to present the points themselves, and a practice video where I'm practicing the way I would practice to if I had to do the same thing than you, relieving symptoms from the emotions. I strongly suggest that to learn in an easy way, you have your download video, a download document with you. Read it once, twice, just get into it. Look at the introduction video. Look one first time at the practice video, so you see how I practice. Try to feel it. Don't try to memorize everything at once, really not necessary. Don't try to remember, just feel what it is about and how it talks to you inside. Then watch the video points and start to learn the points with that video, locating them, getting familiar with them, how it feels when you apply the pressure on them. And here too, don't try to learn too many points, don't try to go quick, just go step by step, 2 or 3 points, and then you can go to the practice video again and practice along with the video, so that you can really let go of the mental and let yourself be guided with my voice and with the image. My aim for you in that class is that you become completely autonomous. So it will take a bit of time, but just enjoy your practices. And for that, make sure that when you practice, you have all your time, you're not stressed because the next appointment or things to be done. Be relaxed, choose a place where you feel completely at ease, get some good clothes, you feel good with it, and just enjoy your practice. This is the most important. The more relaxed, more happy you are to do it, the stronger the effects and lasting. Have a good practice, enjoy yourself.